Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to this week's episode of Weekly Forex Forecast. Okay, so I do this every week, coming on this channel to show you guys what to expect from 5 currency pairs every single week. I give you guys high probability setups that you can watch out for and actually trade during the week. Okay, so in this particular episode, I will share with you 5 currency pairs that you should not miss trading this coming week. This week is NFP week and there are a lot of volatility expected in the market from Monday to Wednesday. Between Thursday and Friday, we're expecting volatility to die down a little bit in preparation for the release of data. Market might actually be pricing in also on Thursday, towards Thursday morning, evening, and Friday morning. Okay, but however, here are amazing opportunities for you to make good money even before the NFP is released on Friday. Okay, so if this is your first time on this channel, do well to subscribe, do well to click notification icon so that every single time I do a video like this, you do not get to miss out, and also smash the like button if you enjoy content like this. Okay, so let's dive right into today's video. Right, so in today's I have 5 currency pairs for you guys as usual. We're starting off with the EURGBP, which is actually what you're looking at currently. Now, we expected the EURGBP to crash down last week, which did not happen. I showed you guys this this trend that has been going on here. The market was back to this this support zone right here, and I expected the market to crash, which didn't happen. The market did a little bit of bearish run on Monday morning, which is here. I think this is this is Monday, right? The market just gave this little bearish run, then just kept ranging throughout the week. Okay, but however, this week I'm very much positive that the much expected crash is going to happen. Okay, so I'm giving you the technical side of these things. If you put a support here, if you put a line here, which is resistance support line, which would, of course, this is a zone, you guys know this, right? I'm just using line for the sake of explaining these things much better to you guys. Okay, so this market this was a resistance here, it was a support here, became it was broken, became a resistance here, came back, became a support here, and the market is actually back to that zone. So I'm clearly expecting this market to give us a bearish run. Okay, and that's actually what I'm looking forward to happen. So what will likely be my trigger for this to happen is I'll be going on a 1 hour time frame to mark this to follow it up much more closely. If I see a break and close below this support, if this market goes below this support and this support closes here, I'll be expecting the market to be falling further to the zone. So I just need the market to break and close below this low somewhere here. If the market is able to break and close below this, I'll be expecting this market to keep crashing all the way all the way down, because there are a lot of other blocks to be cleared, and that would feed liquidity into the market to enable this market to get to this zone. Okay, so I'm looking for, on EURGBP, I'm looking for to to go on a bearish run on EURGBP, maybe on late Monday, on Tuesday morning towards Wednesday. Okay, so that's my expectation on EURGBP. Now, the second currency pair I'll be giving you guys is GBPUSD. GBPUSD is another amazing pair that I've been following for a while. It has been going on an endless bullish run, like really crazy bullish run, right? And if you draw this zone, we're seeing this, this rigid zone on a daily time frame. I'm not a swing trader, I'm more of a daily trader, so the opportunities I share with you guys here are day trading opportunities and also scalping opportunities. Right now, what I'm expecting on the GBP, now it has gotten back to this zone, which is clearly a zone that has been tested as resistant twice, more than twice, once here, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, and the market is back to that zone. Okay, I'm expecting this zone to actually hold, because this is a structure from the daily time frame, right? So I'm expecting this structure to hold, but I won't be selling like right away here. Okay, what I'm expecting to happen here is, since the market has been giving us higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. At the instance of an equidistant high and a break and close below that high, below the last low, clearly crashing this market all the way down. Okay, so what I'm expecting to happen here is for this market to give us a double top on a 4-hour time frame and a break and close below the support of the double top, right? I'm hoping something like this happens. If this market doesn't give us a higher high like it has been happening, of course the character has changed, and once we get a break and close below this support here, this market will likely crash all the way down. Okay, so I'll be looking for ways to just follow trade this. Maybe there might be like maybe 4, 5, 6 trading opportunities, you know, why bearing this market all the way down. Okay, so it's something to, you know, worth looking out for. So GBPUSD, my bias is a sell if we get a break, a double top and a break and close below that. But if this market decides to keep bullying all the way forward, keeps rallying, I'm not interested. I will not be entering the trade. I'm only looking out for a sell on GBPUSD. If it keeps bullying upwards, if it keeps rallying upwards, I'm totally not interested. I feel like, I mean, this market is slowly exhausting steam, and you know, buying this market at this point is it's a little pricey, right? I will not want to enter that trade, right? So let's go on to the next currency pair. The next currency pair I'll be sharing with you guys is the EURCAD. Following the EURCAD, let's start our our trading our analysis from a 4-hour time frame, because the opportunity I'm actually seeing on this is actually a scalp opportunity, more like a day trading opportunity. Now this is the zone I'm actually looking at. I'm looking at the zone right here as the next possible zone that this market will likely fall to. Okay, I'm looking at this zone right there. So that means we have all this space, you know, to the downside. So what I'll be doing on this is I'll be following up with a Fibonacci. At any instance, this market likely retraces back to, let's say, a 38.2, because this is really a strong trend, right? Or a 50% retracement. Once we can get a retracement to any of these levels, and I get my candlestick patterns that informs my kind of entries, the candlestick patterns that we teach here at the WFF Academy, I'll be willing to short this market to this next zone. So this is a very good scalping opportunity that is, you should look out for during the week. Okay, so for EURCAD, I'm looking out for a scalp or a day trading sell opportunity, depending on how the market goes on Monday and on Tuesday. Okay, if this market, still this way to like Thursday, I'll probably be avoiding this, right? Because of the NFP. Okay, NFP has a way of affecting all other currencies, both correlated and non-correlated, right? So you should just be careful out there, right? So GBPCHF is a currency that really disappointed me, guys. It disappointed me last week. I told you guys that I was expecting this market to fall through, because I saw this break, this that looks like a false breakout on a daily time frame. I was expecting this market to clearly fall from here. This was where the market closed 2 weeks ago. I was expecting this market to fall all the way to this point, but that clearly did not happen. The market instead rallied upwards again, but I'm still positive that this might actually fall, because what we're seeing here is looking like a very amazing head and shoulders pattern, which the second shoulder is actually like a very good double top. So if you look at it on a daily time frame, let's see what it looks like. This is first shoulder, then the head, then this is the second shoulder. So this is looking like it will likely go head towards our support zone right here. Okay, but if you look at it on the 4-hour time frame too, you can see that it has given us a very clean, this is a very clean, very clean double top right here on the 4-hour time frame, and it has broken and closed below this last support. So this for me, I think this will probably be the first trade I'll be taking when the market opens by tomorrow. So I'll likely be bearing this market, hoping that it will give us a bearish run all the way down. Okay, of course you'll be taking stops, you'll be taking your targets somewhere, first target somewhere here, second target somewhere here, third target here. So let me mark it out. This is my first target, this is my second target, and here should be my last target. Okay, so it's something worth This should be a very good trade for you to look out for at the open of the market by tomorrow, Monday. Okay, now the last currency pair that we're looking out for is the gold. I told you guys that gold was going to fall from here, fall through from here. This was where gold was as at the close of the market, as at the close of 2 weeks market. I told you guys that gold was going to fall to this zone, which it actually did. Okay, but I'm seeing I see this market doing something a bit different next week. Okay, so this is this very pretty trend line that the gold seems to have been obeying quite strongly. And if we zoom out a little bit, you will see that there is a little bit still space to the upside here. This is I think this is the all-time high for last year, and last year this is like the all-time high. So the market is likely going to retest this not an all-time high, like 1 year high. There's it's not the all-time high, right? I don't know, I'm confusing myself right now. Okay, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? So this is the last high as of last year, and the market has touched on this this penultimate high, and is likely going to retest this last high right here. So I'm seeing this market, in fact my bias on gold is actually I have a double bias, but more of my bias is on buy than sell. Now I'll tell you why I'm looking out for a buy bias. If this trend line actually holds, that means that this market will likely be heading for a breakout to the upside. If we see something like this, maybe a good engulfing pattern on a 4 hour time frame, or if we see a double bottom, this might be an opportunity to buy, right? But however, if we see a break and close below this below this region, this market might just fall. Okay, but I'm actually favoring the upside. My bias is much more favoring the upside because of what I just showed you guys here. Okay, I'm saying, oh wow, I didn't even see this one that happened in 2020. But from what I'm saying, this market is likely going to this zone. I'm going to clear out all this piece right here. Okay, so I'm actually favoring a buy, but if a breakdown happens to the downside and is significant enough, I might just be selling for a short term, right? But my bias on gold is actually a buy. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful. Now, if you want to get the signals for this particular analysis, I send out signals if the market price plays out according to the way I predict here. I share the signals on our free signal group. So if you're yet to join our free signal channel, the link will be on the description. We have a WhatsApp signal channel, we have a Telegram signal channel, but the link is for the Telegram signal channel. Okay, but however, if you want to get it directly to your WhatsApp, you can, when you join the Telegram channel, send a message to the admin and you'll be added to the WhatsApp group so you can get it faster if WhatsApp is the best bet for you, right? So join the free signal channel. The signals are totally free. Okay, and also, but if you want to learn Forex, you want to learn how to do this analysis yourself, the link to grab our student program is on the description. Okay, our student bootcamp program is it's one of the best program in the world, right? I've seen people who know nothing about Forex get our student bootcamp program, our Forex bootcamp program, and become good traders, start making profits from the comfort of their home, using their laptop, using their PC. So even if you know nothing about Forex, the program is actually built for you, right? So if you're ready to subscribe to the channel at this point, do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and smash the notification icon so that you do not miss subsequent videos I do every single week. There are a lot of opportunities in the market I share with you guys, and I teach you guys amazing premium value. You can check out this channel for yourself, watch my videos. There is no single one of my video that you watch and you don't learn something really out of this world, right? So watch my videos, enjoy our training right here at the Trade with Forex Academy. So till I come your way again, cheers, have a wonderful trading week ahead, and goodbye.